Hey everybody, welcome back to Chad's Trains and Things. As you can see, I'm staying here at the 2 foot by 4 foot layout, but this has nothing to do with this layout. I got a couple packages in the mail. I'll start with just showing this real quick. We're not going to go over it. The Microtrains N-Scale wheel cleaner based for engines and cars. This, I got plans for it, so I'll show this off a lot more and everything else in another video where I show where this is going to be put to use. So the main part of this is what's in this box. It's open. I dumped the peanuts out because everybody knows I hate the peanuts. But I got in the new Microtrains N-Scale April Fool's car. So get this out of the box if I can do it one-handed here. Knock the box off. Of course, always wrapped up. And of course, the paper don't want to come off it. Okay. And so, glare. Here it is. Frigidaire. Show off the labels. Make sure I can get my, hopefully where you can read it. Oh, there we go. Zoom in best you can. The glare is a little more. Refrigerator car. It's a little N-Scale refrigerator. Like I said, it's their April Fool's car. Show off the back here. See if I can get maybe light. Ooh, glare is bad. There we go. Okay, well, I'm going to get it out of here. We'll take a closer look at it out of the plastic box. Okay, we're back. See, it says Frigidaire on it. And the cool thing, the door opens up and it looks just like a refrigerator on the inside. Just show off the car. So it's just the new Microtrains car. Nothing real fancy about it. I just thought it was funny being a... There, if I can get this focus in, maybe. There we go. Thought it was just really, really cool. And both sides are the same. So, yeah, it looks like the doors are open. You're looking inside an old refrigerator. So, since I got it just sitting here on the 2 foot, 4 foot layout, I'm going to hook it up to the train. Let's watch it go around a few times. There, you can see the other side of the car. Okay, so that's going to do it. Little quick video, just reviewing the new fun April Fool's car from Microtrains. Get you a little bit better view there. Kind of got the glare off of it some, so you can see it kind of better. Anyways, if you liked the video, crush that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd love to have you. Comment down below. Love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Chad's Trains and Things.